When we are so focused on looking after patients, it can be very easy to not prioritise our own self-care. To fill your cup means to replenish your stores of emotional and physical energy. We can do this through choosing self-care activities that allow us to feel restored. Let's begin. Start by getting in a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the sensation of sitting down. Notice how your feet feel against the ground, how your spine feels supported against the chair. Now bring your attention to the breath wherever you feel it. It may be in the nostrils or the chest. Take 3 deep breaths in and out. Notice your chest rise and then fall again. Imagine your own self-care cup sitting on the table in front of you. What shape is it? Notice the colour. Is it textured or smooth? Reach out and pick your cup up. Imagine that liquid represents all the activities that bring you pleasure and that help you feel taken care of. This could be connecting with others, alone time, nature walks, playing games, cooking nutritious food, or being creative. Whenever you have a moment of spare time today, this could be a minute or 5, try one of your self-care activities. And lastly, bring your awareness back to your breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.